In this video, I'll show you step by step how I made $17,182 in commissions from affiliate marketing just in 19 days of this month without spending a single dollar on ads. And I'm revealing exactly how I did it using completely free traffic, no website, no paid promotion, just simple strategy that anyone can copy. If you have been struggling to make money with affiliate marketing, stay tuned because this could change everything for you. I have been doing this business for over 5 years and I'm making over 15,000 every single month with affiliate marketing using completely free traffic from different social media platforms. In this video guys, I'll share with you one of my methods that I'm using, and make sure to watch this video until the end. If you skip one step, this business will be really difficult for you and you can start making commissions like this, okay? And just last month I made 21,274 in commissions and it's paid. This is my invoice, this is the proof. Anyway, for people who want to start making money with affiliate marketing, step number one, you guys need to create an affiliate account like this one. So what you need to do, it's super easy and simple. Just go to Google and search for this website, search for Fiverr, click on the first link and just sign up using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple, and after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one. So what you need to do next, you just need to come to this page and just scroll down like this. Keep scrolling down, go to company and click over here on affiliate. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. You guys can check this website. You can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliate. They are really paying good commissions. From my experience, this is the best affiliate marketing business that you can start ever because they are really paying some good commissions, okay? Anyway, you guys can check this website. Like I said, we will get back to this later. So to create your affiliate account, you just need to click here on join now like this. And here you go. As you can see guys, the sign up process to Fiverr affiliate program is super easy and simple. All you have to do, you just need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password and account type. Make it private. Do you have main source of traffic? If you guys have websites, you can say yes. If you don't have, you can say no, and choose your country from here. Location, it doesn't matter. You guys can start this business from anywhere, from United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, Germany, and any country. Just search for your country from here, okay? And choose your language. If you have Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next, and that's it. Sign up process is super easy and simple. And after you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates, okay? What you will do next, you need to choose a good services that you will start promoting as Fiverr affiliate marketer, okay? So to choose good services, we need to know where we will promote our services, okay? So for me guys, I'm gonna share with you one of the best traffic sources for me, and it's YouTube, okay? So we will go to YouTube. You guys need to know that YouTube has a lot of traffic. You guys can get so much traffic from YouTube, okay? And you should know that YouTube, let me show you. You guys don't know the potential of YouTube. YouTube has 30 billion monthly visitors, okay? So just to explain this, 30 billion monthly visitors meaning multiple visits per user. People visit YouTube multiple times per day, okay? One person can generate thousands or even hundreds of visits per month. So 30 billion visit doesn't mean 30 billion unique users, okay? It means YouTube is one of the most visited platforms in the world, and you should start using YouTube if you want to make some serious money with affiliate marketing. YouTube is the best traffic source for me, like I said, and you can get so much traffic from YouTube, okay? Anyway, so we will use YouTube to get free traffic. So what we will do first, we need to choose good services that people are already searching for on YouTube, okay? So what we will do, we will use YouTube search bar, okay? Click on the search and ask question. For example, I'm gonna ask how to run, and here you go. You guys can see I just asked how to run, and YouTube will give you the topics that people are searching for. This is a report search prediction. This is the topics that people are searching for. people search for how to run Facebook ads. Let's say how to run ads for, and here you go. You guys can see people search for how to run ads for Shopify store, how to run ads for clothing brand, how to run ads for dropshipping, and so on. So those people, they have money and they want to run ads for Shopify, clothing brand, dropshipping, business. They want to run ads. They don't know how to do it. They have money and they want to know and they want to learn how to do it. But if you give them a good service that will do this service for them and give them a good result, of course they will buy. Okay, so we will promote a service related to ads. Okay, so what we will do next, we will go back to our Fiverr homepage over here and we will search for ads. Okay, we will search for ads dropshipping. Let's search for Shopify ads, for example. Okay, Shopify ads. I'm gonna search for this service because people search for how to run ads for Shopify store. So I will search for Shopify ads, a service related to what people searching for. Okay, search for Shopify ads, scroll down, and here you go. You will find a lot of people here who provide this service. I will create Shopify video ads for dropshipping product. This one will create a Shopify video ads. So we need a seller that can run ads for Shopify store. Okay, so I want you to pay close attention. You will search for Shopify ads, you will scroll down, you will find a lot of sellers here who provide this service on Fiverr. Okay, what you need to do next is you need to choose a good sellers. So always choose like level 2 sellers or top rated sellers or pro sellers. Those sellers will be good sellers for you and they can provide a good service for those people on YouTube who search for how to run ads for Shopify store. Okay, so you can make a commission, so they can trust the seller, they can buy the service from you, from your affiliate link, and you will earn a commission. So for example, I will be your Shopify Facebook ads campaign like this one. You guys can see this one here. This seller is level 2 seller and he has 5-star, which is good. The seller is good one. Okay, so what I will do, I will click on his service. Okay, just click on the seller service that you want to use, and here you go. You will be directly in this seller profile page. You guys can see that this seller has 2 orders in queue, which is really good. A lot of reviews. I will be your Shopify Facebook ads campaign manager or Instagram ads for e-commerce. This one is a good one. So what you will do next, you will copy the link of the seller, copy the profile link of the seller, and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. Okay, and click on your dashboard. You have dashboard, marketing tools, reports, payments, post back. Click on marketing tools and click on default and dip links, and you will be directly in this page over here. Click on dip link, put this seller profile link here and click on save, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. So what you will do next, you need to promote this affiliate link on YouTube. So what we will do, we will go back first, we will go back to this seller profile page. Okay, and if we scroll down, this seller has a video which is really good. Let me check.
Shopify store owners. Are you ready to take your business to new heights? Navigating the world of online marketing can be challenging, but fear not.
You guys can see the video is explaining to people how this seller can help them run Facebook ads or Instagram ads or ads for Shopify store for e-commerce. Okay, so what we will do, double click on the video and click on save video. Save this video to your laptop. Okay, just click on save video like this, save, and here you go. What you will do next, you will go back to Google and search for Canva. Search for Canva, sign up using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page. Click here on video and just click here on YouTube video, and you will be directly in this page over here. Click over here on upload, click on upload, click on upload file, and upload the video that you download from Fiverr. Okay, this is my video about ads service. Okay, that about ad service for Shopify store. Click on open. Your video will be uploaded to Canva. Click on your video and your video will be over here. Click on this 3 points over here, scroll down, click on set video as background, and here you go, you have a video here. What you will do next, you will click on text, click over here on text, click on, if you scroll down, okay, just scroll down, and you have here different styles of text that you can use. So for example, I'm going to use this one. Just click on the text style that you want to use and your text will be over here like this. I'm going to delete the second one, okay, and decrease the font size of this text and put this text here. Double click and write this sentence: check link in description. Okay, check link in description, because we will put our affiliate link in our YouTube description and I will show you how you can do it. So I'm gonna decrease the font size of this text like this and put this text here. What I need to do next, I need to go over here to elements. Okay, I will scroll down and I'm gonna search for this one, search for shapes. Okay, click on this one here and choose, click on color, choose a black color and just put this shape behind your text like this. Okay, and here you go, check link in my description. So people who search for how to run ads for Shopify store, if they see the video on YouTube, this video, they will watch the video. Okay, let me check.
Attention Shopify store owners. Are you ready to take your business to new heights?
Do you see? They will see this, check link in description. They will check your description. You will put your affiliate link in your YouTube description. After you finish your video, click on share and click over here on download, and the video will be downloaded into your laptop. Next, you will go back to YouTube and open a YouTube channel. It's for free, okay? It's for free. You guys can create a YouTube channel just in 5 minutes. After that, upload the video as Creative Commons, so you need to get any copyright issue with YouTube. If you upload the video as Creative Commons, you will be fine, okay? You will not get any copyright issue with YouTube. Use this keyword, use this title exactly like this: how to run ads for Shopify store, okay? And in your YouTube description, put this sentence: if you are looking for how to run ads for Shopify store, check link below. Go back to your Fiverr affiliate account and copy your affiliate link from here. So for you guys, if you just started this business and you have a new account, you can't see this option, Fiverr CPA old plan, because for me, I have old Fiverr affiliate account. I have been doing this business, like I said in the beginning, for over 5 years, and I still have this option, Fiverr CPA old plan. For you, you should see this one, Fiverr Marketplace new plan. Copy your affiliate link from here, it's almost the same, and go back to YouTube and put your affiliate link in your YouTube description. You don't need a website to start this business. You don't need a landing page. You don't need a paid ads. Your audience is already on YouTube. People who will be interested to buy this service from you, they are already on YouTube searching for those topics. Start promoting services related to those topics that people are searching for. If you want, you guys can create your own content. If you don't, you want to use Fiverr videos, Fiverr sellers videos, you can make your own content, and that's it. That's exactly how you can promote affiliate links on YouTube, and that's how you can start affiliate marketing with free traffic. You have a lot of traffic from YouTube. You don't know the potential of YouTube, and you guys need to know that you don't need a million of views per video to make a lot of commissions. You don't need that. Just getting few thousand views per video can make you so much commissions, because you are getting traffic from people who are interested to buy those services, okay? That's how we can make so much money. YouTube can really make you so much money for affiliate marketing and can get you free traffic, a lot of traffic. The best part with YouTube, guys, is you upload the video. This video can keep getting views for a month or even for years and keep making you commissions for years. It's a passive income, and that's it. And for people who want to take this business seriously, I want to invite you guys personally to join my coaching course, okay? I created a step-by-step guide that shows you exactly how I'm making over 15,000 every single month with affiliate marketing using free traffic from different social media platforms, because I'm not using just YouTube. So if you are interested, feel free to reach out to me. Also, you will get my guide with my team. We will follow up with you until you understand everything. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, just leave it in the comments, and see you in my next videos.